So here it is. We've been working really hard. This is one of the cars that I helped do the mapping for. So another 2022 WRX with the JB4. So you can see at the beginning, we've got 260 horsepower, and then it slowly peaks all up and continues to pick up all the way throughout the band, going right over 300 horsepower, and the torque a little bit higher. So over here, we hit a best of 301 horsepower and 312 foot-pounds of torque was the best run. This is with a JB4 with E30 and my custom mapping. So not a bad run. I think that's, 300 horsepower is a pretty nice, impressive number. So if anybody else is looking to get a JB4, it's kind of more incentive to get there and get one. And then of course, if you're looking for help with getting this thing mapped, let me know. I'm more than happy to help you out. But he's very happy with the 300 horsepower number. And I think that's an impressive number for only having the little bit of mods that are done. So like I said, if you're interested and you'd like a JB4, I've got a link in the description. And then same thing, if you're interested in any custom mapping, let me know and I can help you out.